Is Men's Mental Health Awareness Month, and Las Vegas Health Organization dedicated to promote open dialogue and also access to care. 8 News Now reporter Mary Jane Beliaz is sharing the resources available for the community.
Men often face a silent journey when it comes to navigating mental health.
Coming to therapy is not about us healing you. It's about helping people learn the tools to manage life, because life is going to happen.
Dinisha Mingo, founder of Mingo Health Solutions, a behavioral health organization, says that's why open conversations are so important. Men
struggle with substance use 1 in 5 times, 1 in 5 of them anxiety 1 in 5 times. 1 in 5 men struggle with anxiety, and so that's 20%, and only for 7% to be engaged in talk therapy. Even more important, suicide is the leading cause of death for men under 35. And 80% of male suicide attempts are completed. So we really want to ensure that men know that the resources are here.
Mingo and her team provide free workshops and even panels regarding mental health discussions. Some are even co-ed to provide shared experiences and mutual support.
We know that we have to talk about the serious forms of mental illness, but it's also important when we're talking about mental health and wellness, like what are these day-to-day things that are happening? So for people to come out, number one, there's community happening.
There's also meetings just for men, dedicated to overcoming obstacles they go through and addressing the systemic disparities men of color face.
There's a negative stigma with mental health services, especially in the colored community. So we're trying very hard to break that barrier and let them know that there's like-minded individuals going through the same things that you are, and there's support here.
Myron Mingo is the Applied Behavioral Analysis Program Manager and leads these hard conversations.
I relate personally with it, and with being a part of this, it really gives me a push to take control of my own mental health journey and understand that there is support out here.
Mingo says these resources are ongoing and will be provided as long as the community needs them.
If you feel like you're at a stagnant spot and there's growth to be had, but you're unsure of how to access that growth, then reach out.
Now, the co-ed mental health panel takes place every 4th Wednesday, while the men's group is on the 3rd Thursday of every month. Information on the classes over on 8newsnow.com.
For the latest on this and other stories, visit 8newsnow.com and tune into our live newscasts on Channel 8 every day at 6 and 11 p.m. or weekdays from 4 to 7 a.m.